Ashish Kyal joins us to tell us whether or not this dip is worth buying into or he would rather stay away. Hi Ashish, morning. We had a good last few days, but this morning, the bears have said it's not as good as you just show up and you participate and you make some money, because the bulls have got trapped actually at the upper end. Do you believe, but post this 150-point dip that we're seeing intraday, do you think that it should get bought into?
Hey, morning to you and Mangalam as well. See, very importantly, Nifty has been attempting to cross that 17,756. The reason I'm telling you that level, that's a Gann square of 9 level, which I have derived. And it has tried multiple times. One attempt was on 25th August, then again attempt that we saw was on 30th August. And again today there was an attempt. But we are failing around that level multiple times. So which means that the bulls are not able to drive the market beyond that range of 17,756 to 17,780 levels. And on the downside, the bears are not able to drive it below that 17,500 mark. So that's the broad range of the market. And today we have reversed from the upper end of the range. So I think there can be some selling pressure that we can witness. Nifty can again move towards that 17,520 support level on the downside. So I'm not going to buy this market right now. I'm going to play pure intraday over a short term, expecting a move towards 17,520. And on the upside, the stop loss has to be kept around 17,700 levels. And for a positional trade, it has to cross about 17,756 as far as the index is concerned.
All right, we take that point. As we speak, a couple of stocks are making the lows of trade, and they belong to the FMCG pack. Case in point, HUL, that's at the low point. Nestle is the other one, which has fallen about 300 rupees in today's trading session versus the previous close, but over 160 of those have come in just the last few minutes, currently at the low point. Ashish, what are the stocks that you have on your radar? Are there any buying opportunities or selling ones?
I'll still look for buying opportunities right now, having the market in a range, but specific stock action is still witnessed. So the first stock on the buy side is going to be Tata Power. We can clearly see the stock is bucking the trend, trying to attempt on the upside. And if there is any kind of stabilization in the broader market, the stock can do extremely well relatively. So Tata Power, initiate a buy call with a stop loss of around 234 for the target of 260 on the upside. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Triveni Engineering. We can clearly see a very strong volume being picked up here. And the stock is giving a higher low formation, which is suggesting that now it's bottoming out and giving a breakout on the upside, bounce back from its 20 days average. So Triveni Engineering long positions can be created, keeping a stop loss of 235, expecting a target of 270.
Okay, all right. Thanks so much, Ashish, for joining and filling us in with those quick details.